Hello, hello, hello. This is Miss Jones on January 4th, 2019. And I have decided to do something different that I cannot find any Pinterest project or anything on YouTube or any blog that has to do with what I want to do. Now, I've had this console TV slash fireplace for a couple years. My TV rests on it. But the insert hasn't been working since last year. If I turn it on, it smells like it's burning up. So I haven't been dealing with it. It's just been sitting inside the console collecting dust. Well, tonight I removed it. And I got a real good look at it, and I see that I can take it apart. Now, if I do this, my goal is to make a really pretty shadow box. Upcycle this fireplace insert, this electric fireplace insert that doesn't work, into a shadow box, and then replace it inside the console. What do you think? Something that'll light up to at night? What do you think? If it does not work, I'll just toss the unit and then maybe still create a shadow box. But I want to repurpose this unit because it already has the tempered glass on it. So if I can get in there behind that and then somehow put it back together with a scenic and wonderful and beautiful interior, I think that'll be something that we can get started on repurposing these fire furnace type heaters that no longer work, instead of just tossing them out the door. If I were to replace this, it's going to run me about $200. And frankly, I just had it a couple years ago because this part of the house was a little cold. But now, it's warm enough now, and I use a different heater. So it's just been collecting dust and just sitting there inside this big, huge square. And I want to repurpose it now into a shadow box. And I think it's going to be the first one ever done. Wish me luck. If for some reason I can't figure this out, then I also can decide on making a shadow box right here in the square and maybe put some plexiglass up instead. And then it'll be a really huge shadow box, wouldn't it? It could be a fairy garden, could be a Christmas village inside. I could do lots of stuff with that space alone. But I want to work with this first. Subscribe to my channel. Find me on Facebook. I'm also an admin on Dollar Tree Crafts and Ideas, so ask to join that Facebook page group. And then find me at Legacy Slow Luxuries and like my page, say hello. I upload videos and recipes and, games and all kinds of stuff to have fun on that Facebook page. This should be done maybe sometime in February. I send my blessings out to you and yours. Once again, January 4th, 2019, signing off. Art is freedom.